Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add a page on Shopify Dawn theme. Let's get started. So as you can see right here, we are on an online store. So what we can do in order to add a page is we can click on this pages right here on the left sidebar. Now in here, you should be able to see two pages that I have already. So if you want to actually add a page, just click on this add page button right here. And then you can just choose a title for this page. Like for example, let's make this privacy policy. And on the content of this page, you can actually just create the content. So let's click on this generate AI, but you can also just choose to use the ones you have created yourself. But for me, I'll just choose to use this AI right here since this is just a tutorial. So as you can see, it will show me this privacy content that this has generated, and then click on the keep button right here in order to add that. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. So once you have done that, make sure that the visibility is turned on and it will be added on your online store. So on a theme template, you can choose to add this on your default page if you want as well. So head over and click on the save button right here. And then once you have saved that, next thing you need to do is you need to head over to the navigation right here. So this page right here, you can add this to the footer menu or to the main menu. So for example, for me, I'll add this to the main menu. So click on this main menu right here. And then let's head over and click on this menu item. Then let's put in here a name, privacy policy. And then we can search in here for the privacy policy page that we have. So let's click on this. Then click on add right here. And then make sure to click on this save right here in order to save your progress. Next thing we need to do is we need to actually see if it is implemented. So let's click on this eye icon right here beside our online store. And then this will open our actual online store. And in here, you can see the privacy policy. So head over and then click on that. And then from in here, you can see that we have this page right here that we have created just seconds ago. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.